Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta check your chat history. Okay, go back right here, just swipe until you are on the chat section, just like so. And then once that's done, gotta find the conversation. For example, this one. All right, and once done, if the chat has completely disappeared from your list, for example, you scroll through right here and it disappeared, well, they've either unfriended you, blocked you, or deleted their account. Now, another way to find out, go ahead and swipe up, use the search function, and look for their name, all right, or username. So, for example, Dimple right here. If you can't find them here in your search box under friends and groups, well, they've blocked you, or maybe they've deleted their account. Now, when you go ahead and tap on their profile, tap, and then it shows an add button. Well, that means they have unfriended you, but have not blocked you. So to rule out whether they simply deleted their account, check if they are visible to others. You can ask other friends to check their profile, or go ahead and create an account by yourself, another account, and look for their profile again. If you can't see them, well, that means they've deleted their profile. But if you can see them in the other account, well, that means they've blocked you. And those are the ways to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.